The New York Film Academy here at South Beach is a film school that was made by filmmakers.
We offer MFA and BFA in film, acting, and we offer short-term programs, summer camps here for high school students in filmmaking and in acting.
The first day they give you a camera and you start shooting, you learn what you need to do in order to make a movie.
Right from the beginning, they're going to take screenwriting class, a directing class, cinematography class, they're going to take an editing class.
As we give students a foundation for acting technique.
Scene study, acting for film, Stanislavski, Chekhov.
We do auditions, we do a student film together, we'll go on location. Everybody works together. It's almost like a family, you know?
As an actor, we're gonna need to know how to create our own content. And that's one thing that we're getting here. We're getting all aspects of the film industry.
This is the place to come if you want to be industry ready. It's so worth it. You're gonna love it.
I really believe this is the place to be as a creative person.